The Great Barrier Reef, located off the Queensland coast, is home to a magnificent array of marine species. The reef stretches further than 344,400 square kilometres and comprises of 3,000 coral reefs, 600 tropical islands, and holds complex habitats that provide protection and refuge for a variety of marine plants and animals. However, there are many significant factors placing the reef under great threat, one of the most prominent being climate change. Climate change has resulted in rising sea temperature, changes to ocean currents, and ocean acidification, all of which have adverse effects on the marine life and ecosystems contained inside the reef. The temperature of ocean waters plays a crucial role in the richness and distribution of biodiversity contained in the water. Additionally, it is crucial to coral reef growth. When sea temperature rises, corals are placed under thermal stress, resulting in them expelling algae that exists in their tissues. The algae they eliminate is what provides coral with nutrients and their colour. Such circumstances result in coral bleaching, which, if conditions persist, corals eventually starve and struggle to survive, resulting in death. In the long term, ocean acidification is predicted to be the most consequential impact due to climate change on the Great Barrier Reef's ecosystem. Plankton species rely on the composition and chemistry of ocean waters in order to build calcium carbonate, otherwise known as limestone. The acidification of the waters, due to greater absorption of carbon dioxide as a direct result of human activity, will limit the plankton's ability to develop such structures. Furthermore, ocean acidification may also interfere with the immature stages of a variety of fish and marine organisms. Such impacts will have a flow-on effect along the food chain. The Australian government currently invests approximately $200 million annually in order to protect and manage the Great Barrier Reef to support present and future generations. Various plans, trusts and programs have been implemented, such as the Reef 2050 Long-Term Sustainability Plan. This plan is a direct response to the recommendations from the UNESCO World Heritage Committee, which regularly reviews the conditions of sites inscribed on the World Heritage List. The Reef 2050 plan outlines management objectives for 35 years in the future to ensure the universal value of the reef is protected and savoured. The plan outlines clear actions, desires, results, as well as outcomes to guide the reef's management. What's more, the plan addresses the reef's ability to overcome long-term threat. With climate change being an uncontrollable threat to the waters of the reef, implementing management strategies have been the main priority. By following and adhering to plans such as the Reef 2050 plan, the reef has a chance of protecting the rich biodiversity it holds and sustaining its universal value. Actions may be taken to reduce the polluted status of the waters by improving practices of mining, agriculture and industry development, all of which contribute to the reef's increased exposure to carbon dioxide. Finally, educating others about threats to the reef will bring about social awareness. Such awareness will encourage action among community members who are passionate about the sustainability of marine sites, such as the Great Barrier Reef.